Hello, welcome to Angela's Kitchen Garden. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build these raised beds. They're from a company called Harbour Housewares, and so I'll show you how I put these together. The first one we're going to look at is the 60 by 60. So I'll open up the box and I'll show you what's inside. Just put some cardboard down because it's quite wet on the ground at the moment. So you get the instructions. You get a nice little plastic tub that has all of the bits that you need inside. Comes with a screwdriver and all of the screws and bolts that you need to construct the bed. Comes with some polystyrene. Also has these plastic corners just to stop the metal sheets from getting damaged in the post or in storage. Comes with four corners. Comes with some bubble wrap. Some plastic ties. So this is everything that it comes with. You get the instructions, screwdriver, plastic box with the screws and bolts, the sheets. Get 4 of those and 4 of the corner pieces, and these are coated on both sides. So the first thing you want to do is just tip these out into the plastic tub. Then what you want to do is you want to get one of the corner pieces here and one of the sheets, and then if you can see they've got 4 holes along them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what I find's easiest is if you do the 2 end ones first and then the 2 middle ones will just line up. So you get your sheet and then you put them on. You get your corner piece and this piece here and you line it up. Now with this piece you want it so it's like that. With the piece where the hole is that's bending outwards, and you put that towards, you put it inside the little gap in here. So you put it like this. What you need to do is you need to line up that first hole here with the one from the corner section. So line them up so you can see through. Put your little screw through, and then what you need to do is get your little nut, put it on, and then spin that round. It doesn't need to be really tight at the beginning, just need to get them all lined up. Then what I like to do is I like to spin it round the other way so that this one's on the top. So the one you've just put on's right at the bottom, and then the hole's at the top, and then get another screw, put it in the hole like that, poke it through, keep your finger on the back and put the little wing nut on and spin it round just with your hands like so. Now what you're going to do is you're going to get 2 more screws, put them through, and the holes should be lined up now because you've done the top and the bottom. So just put them in, get 2 more of these, and the same again, like with the top and the bottom. Put them on, line them up and just spin them round. That. Do the next one. Now, this is where you use the screwdriver. And then what you just need to do is just hold them with your fingers and then you just tighten them with the screwdriver. So that one's done. So now you've put this first one on, what you need to do is you need to do the other side. So yeah, another corner piece, and then do exactly the same as you've done with the first one. Put the top and the bottom screws on, then do the two in the middle. And then we do exactly the same. Line up the hole, put the screw through. Now that they're all on, what you do is you hold onto the wing nut on this side to keep it still, and then you just tighten it with the screwdriver and then go all the way down, tightening them all so that they're all nice and tight. So now this piece is done, and then you can put that one side. And then we do the same again with another piece. So now you've got two of these, and these are the two ends. So we now need to connect the middle pieces. So for the square one, you just do exactly the same as you've been doing, and you connect these ones. So same again, just do the top one first. That's it built. It's really quick and easy to do on your own. I think it looks really good. If you'd like to get some of these raised beds, I'll put a link down in the description below. I'm not sure what they're like long term, but from my first look at them, I think they look nice. They come in different colours, so you can get them in a colour. They can get them in green, cream, and just sort of industrial silver sort of colour. And they're quick and easy. I wouldn't say that they are the sort of top end. These are quite cheap, these ones, but I'm happy for the price that they were. I'm actually really happy with them. I'm videoing this in January 2026, so if you're watching this in the future and you'd like to have a look and see how they've got on, just pop over to my channel and have a look. I'm planning to do a review next January, so what they've been like over the last year, what it's been like growing in them, and how well they've held up. And so that'll be really interesting to see how they've done over the last year. I'm going to be using these to grow my own fruits, vegetables, and some cut flowers. Because the space is so small, I'm not going to do loads of cut flowers because I want to really prioritise my fruit and veg. And I'm going to be doing regular updates on how I get on with my garden. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to my 2026 growing season. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.